Total Tools Black Friday sale. Let's see if there's anything I want. No, got all my power tools. Bosch power tools. Koki, Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Bosch again, Koki again. All these don't really seem to be that good a deal. I wonder if they've got anything in hand tools. Let's keep going. This is over 50% off. Oh, I don't need a ladder. Don't need drills. Oh, and there's those bloody wrenches I bought at $100, thinking they were a great deal, and here they are at $80. King Chrome, that looks like a bit. That one there looks a bit like the advent calendar from last year. What's this? Well, Wiha 180mm 4-piece circuit plier set. I think I'll just buy now. So I went and bought the Wiha classic circuit pliers. I just see on the top here there's a few different sorts. The ones with the groove, these are the normal ones here. So I'll just have a bit of a look at them. Well, you know they'll be good quality because they're Wiha. I've wanted a new set of these for a while. I've got a couple of multi-purpose sets where you change things around for whether or not they're internal or external, or 90 degrees or 180 degrees, but I just find that a dedicated set's better. So yeah, these look like they'll do the job. Now there should be a, there it is, a packet for them. Straight ones. And the 290 degrees. Nice little pack, and I was pretty happy to get that at the price I got it. Yeah, so have a quick look at the box, see if there's anything interesting on here. We are Premium Tools Professionals, made from the best materials using state-of-the-art manufacturing methods, consequently extremely durable and suitable for continuous professional use. Yep. Looks like quite a nice thing. So I just have to make a bit of room for them here in the circuit plier area of the drawer. Now here are my, I believe these are Repco branded. Yeah, these on special are about $25. You see they've got the straight ones in there then. Those screws undo and you can change to the other bits that we have in the handle there, so yeah, that's not a bad thing. My old faithfuls here, these ones, I wish I could find a camera stand so I could do this properly for you, but these have a pin that comes out and goes in through the different types of ends, and depending on which side it is, they either go together or apart when you squeeze them. These have never let me down, although it can be a bit fiddly. Sometimes this centre pin will fall out, but yeah, it's just a bit of digging about that I didn't really want to have to deal with. I've got various old different kinds here. Those ones are missing a spring. Those ones are tight as tight, but they have Clork, K-L-A-U-K-E written on them. So just old ones that I picked up at garage sales and things. These ones work just fine, but they're not really a bar on top. They just come down to a point. And these ones, which have the same sort of name on it, Clork, Wallow, Germany, I think that says. I don't know if we can see it there, whether we can get in focus. But anyway, yes, I have all those, but yeah, it'd be much better to get a nice dedicated set, although it looks like it's not going to fit in there, of course. So I'll just throw it up there for now and figure out something with it later.